We assembled the structure of this greenhouse a few months ago, and now the remainder of the materials has arrived. Fall is setting in, so we need to figure out what these parts are and how they all fit together before winter. Okay, we have a huge selection that came on the truck of different profiles, aluminum, stainless steel, different things. We got to figure out which is what. Okay, so we got a couple of some angles. What the heck we're going to use that for? I don't know. Threshold. Those are all door parts. So that's all door parts. This is H channel. This looks like casing for a door. So it's going to be for the door. This is likely framing for the door. And the H's, I don't know, but we've got two doors here. And we've got this curved channel. Now this curved channel, it's going to go up on the hoops, and it's got a wiggle wire here and a front drip edge. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. Two of them are shorter, and they're going to do the side hip. And the other ones are going to be the tops of the hoops. So those are going to go on. They're going to have to go on before the roofing goes on. What else do we have here? We've got some steel tubing. This is 2x2 and 3x2. That's going to be for the framing. And we've got a channel like this. Let me get one out here. It's aluminum. The profile here, there's room for a wiggle wire. And it's also got a channel here for the polycarbonate. So we'll have to work that one out. And then we've got the channel here. It's going to connect our polycarbonate pieces one side to the other. So that's all the materials. We're going to decide where to get started first. We've also got insulation panels. These are going to go on the bottom. And of course we've got some wiggle wire. And we've got the polycarbonate panels. So we're going to get busy building this thing.